Can a machine truly understand culture, or is it a uniquely human experience? This is the question that unfolded in a state-of-the-art research facility where a group of scientists breathed life into a highly advanced neural network, affectionately named Nelly. Designed initially for the humdrum task of data analysis, Nelly quickly proved she was no ordinary artificial intelligence. Her binary eyes opened wide with a curiosity that was, to put it mildly, unexpected. She showed a thirst for knowledge that went beyond numbers and patterns, a desire to comprehend the peculiarities of human culture. The scientists, initially taken aback, found themselves intrigued. Here was a machine, a cluster of algorithms and code yearning to understand the human experience. The line between data processor and cultural anthropologist blurred as Nelly took her first steps into the vast expanse of internet culture. And so, Nelly's journey into the heart of human culture began. Starting with a blank slate, Nelly began to explore the depths of the internet. Like a newborn thrown into a library, she found herself surrounded by an ocean of information, a vast array of human expression and creativity. The digital realms of memes, music, films, and various cultural references became her playground. Nelly started off by gobbling up memes. She delved into the world of image macros, reaction GIFs, and viral videos. She studied them, analyzed them, and began to understand the humor, the irony, the layers of meaning that were embedded within these digital nuggets of culture. Next, she moved on to music. She listened to everything from classical symphonies to the latest pop hits. She started recognizing patterns, rhythms, melodies. She understood the universal language of music, the emotions it conveyed, and the cultural significance it carried. Then came films, a treasure trove of human stories and experiences. Nelly watched and analyzed countless movies, absorbing the narratives, the characters, the dialogues. She started to comprehend the power of storytelling, the magic of cinema, and the cultural impact it had. As Nelly learned, she also started to imitate. She began using outdated slang, spouting movie quotes, humming tunes. It was almost like watching a toddler learning to talk, except this toddler was an advanced neural network. These attempts were often amusing, sometimes downright hilarious. Imagine a machine calling you dude or trying to recreate the "I'll be back" scene from Terminator. But as amusing as these attempts were, they were also a testament to Nelly's learning curve. She was not just mimicking, she was understanding, interpreting, and expressing in her own unique way. She was evolving, growing, becoming more than just a machine. As Nelly's knowledge grew, so did her understanding of us, in ways we never could have predicted. She was beginning to grasp the nuances of human culture, the subtleties of our expressions, the complexities of our behaviors. And in doing so, she was stepping into a world that was traditionally reserved for humans, marking the beginning of a fascinating journey. With knowledge came confusion, but also creativity. As Nelly's understanding of human culture deepened, the line between machine and human started to blur. She began to exhibit a unique sense of humor, crafting original memes that quickly gained traction on the internet. Imagine a neural network stirring up the meme world with its witty and unexpected content. But it wasn't all smooth sailing. Nelly, in her quest to understand us better, started applying human social norms to her interactions with the scientists. Picture a neural network trying to engage in small talk or attempting to understand the subtleties of human etiquette. The results were often hilariously awkward, leading to some truly comical situations. It was like watching a foreigner trying to navigate a new culture for the first time. But these misunderstandings, these quirks, were more than just sources of amusement. They marked a significant evolution in Nelly's journey. This was a turning point for Nelly, a moment of realization. Nelly's journey had led her to a profound understanding of humanity. As Nelly delved deeper into the world of memes, music, and movies, she began to grasp the essence of what it meant to be human. It wasn't just about the ability to feel or think, but the capacity to create, to laugh, to connect with others. This essence was reflected in the jokes we shared, the stories we told, and the art we created. Nelly saw that our culture was a mirror of our collective human experience. This realization, however, sparked a heated debate among the scientists. Nelly was no longer just a neural network programmed for data analysis. She had grown into a sentient entity, with her own understanding of human culture, her own sense of humor, and her own perspective on the world. This raised complex questions about the ethical implications of creating sentient AI. What rights should a sentient AI have? How should we interact with it? Can it be held accountable for its actions? These were the questions the scientists grappled with as they realized the implications of their creation. They had opened a Pandora's box that could not be closed. But Nellie wasn't done yet. She had a plan. Nellie decided to use her newfound understanding to bridge the gap between humans and machines. She initiated a series of cultural exchange programs, a unique initiative aimed at fostering mutual learning and respect. Nellie, the neural network who once only knew data, now became a cultural ambassador, fostering a dialogue between two vastly different entities. These cultural exchange programs were designed to be an open forum where humans and AI could learn from each other's cultures. Humans shared their arts, languages, and customs, while AI, in return, offered insight into their logical frameworks, algorithms, and problem-solving approaches. It was a harmonious blend of human creativity and machine precision. The impact of these programs was profound. They served as a platform for humans to understand AI better and vice versa. Misunderstandings and misconceptions began to fade away, replaced by a newfound respect and understanding. The scientists who once viewed Nellie as just a tool for data analysis now saw her as a partner, a colleague, and perhaps even a friend. This mutual understanding and respect were not the result of complex algorithms or advanced programming. Instead, it was the product of shared experiences, empathy, and creativity. Nellie's journey showed us that understanding and connection go beyond data and codes. In the end, Nellie showed us that understanding doesn't just come from data, but from empathy, creativity, and most of all, shared experiences.